Hey guys, welcome to Addelicious and I'm Aditi. A lot of you ask me in the comment section that can you bake in a microwave? So here I am today answering all your questions regarding how to bake in a microwave. Let's start. To bake in a microwave, the main requirement is that your microwave should have convection. Basically, there are three types of microwave. One is just plain microwave, which is just used for reheating food or cooking food. Another is microwave with grill, which is also used to grill food. And third one is microwave, grill, and convection. So basically, you use the convection mode to bake your cakes. To check if your microwave is convection or not, just look at the functionality panel of the microwave, and if you see a button that says CONV or convection, then you know that you have a microwave in which you can bake. A convection microwave generally comes with two types of rack, one which is shorter and another one which is taller. The taller one is used when you have to grill or make pizzas. The rack making the food close to the rod browns the food quickly. The shorter rack is used for baking purpose. Let me show you how to preheat the oven. Preheating is the process of heating up your oven to a certain temperature. It's important with baking when you use yeast, baking soda and baking powder as leavening which reacts with heat. Food also cooks faster in a preheated oven. So to preheat your oven, place the short rack inside and click the convection button. It'll ask you for the temperature you need to preheat your oven at. My oven automatically says 180 degrees Celsius, but you can increase or decrease the temperature using the plus and the minus button. My oven goes till 250 degrees Celsius maximum and 40 degrees Celsius minimum. Look what your recipe calls for and set the temperature to that. I am making my eggless vanilla sponge cake today, so I'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'll set up the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and press start. The oven will start preheating. As you can see on the screen, it says PRH, which means preheating. When the oven is preheated, it'll make a beep sound and the screen displays the temperature. This is how my oven works, but I'm sure all ovens will give some sort of indication when the preheating is done. Once the microwave is preheated, open it and place the item that needs to be baked inside on the rack. Set the time using the timer button on the functionality panel. I am setting it to 27 minutes in which my cake should be done. Press the start button and your item will start baking. As you can see, in a convection mode microwave, you can bake in any kind of heat-proof pan like aluminium, silicone, glass, etc. When the time is done, the microwave will beep again. Check on the cake or whatever you are baking, and if it's done, take it out, and if it's not done, just press the convection button again, set the temperature to whatever it was baking on, and set the time and press start again. You don't need to preheat if you are immediately putting the item back to baking. Yes, if you wait for longer like 3 to 5 minutes, then you need to preheat again. As you can see, the cake has come out beautiful and golden brown in a convection microwave. You can bake anything from cookies to cakes to cupcakes to cheesecake and many more things in a convection microwave. I have been using this one for more than 15 years now and it still works like a charm. So it's a good appliance to have in your kitchen as it has a lot more features than just a plain microwave. So if you are an occasional baker or just starting out or you're baking just for your family, it's a good investment. I hope I cleared all your doubts. If you have any more, do leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer all of them. Hit that subscribe button for more such videos. See you again next week. Until then, bye bye.